Hello and welcome back. I'm up at the storage. We're going to take the caravan cover off today. Next week we're off for Easter. We're off this. We've got 1 week off together, and next week we're going to take the caravan home and give it a good clean inside and out. Try and get it on the driveway and check that everything's working okay. Get it plugged into the mains and check everything out. We're not going away till May, but it's probably one of the the only opportunities we've got to do it. So we're going to get the cover off today, take it off its axle stands, and it's been on axle stands and under the cover for just over 6 months now. So I'm going to empty it out. Some of the stuff that we've stored in there that we don't need in there. So this vlog will probably be done over a few days, so let's get cracking and get this cover off. So that's the cover, and it's got a couple of tears in it here and there, but overall it's looking okay, and it's been on for a good 6 months, keeping the van nice and clean. So fun bit, get the thing off and then see what it's like inside. Underneath you'll still be able to see, hopefully, and you can see it's still on axle stands. We'll get them off as well today. Cover off, first time in 6 months. It's not looking too bad. Quite clean underneath. Looks okay. Yeah, don't look too bad. Right, let's get all the stuff emptied out of it. So we've got the inside kind of sorted, looking a little bit better, more like a caravan. Just let the air out of some of these bags as well. Shut the cupboard doors. The cupboard doors are not too bad, just need slight adjustment. Put the blinds down, and it's all ready now for taking home and having a good clean. Well, we've come back up to the caravan. We had a bit of a change of plan because we were going to take the van home, but we measured it up and it just won't fit on our driveway, and we didn't want to leave it on the front, obviously because the vehicle's going up and down. So we decided what we're doing is we're up at the storage, and we've brought the battery back up, and we've got the heating on, and we're going to open the windows and get it ventilated. And we're just doing the usual things that you do, for sorting your van out for summer, or when you're going away. I know there's loads of videos out there, so I'm not going to show you everything that I've done, but I've just put some Pura Clean in, and I think Angela's just taking all the curtains off, because we're going to take the curtains home and give those a clean. So it's just a case of cleaning inside, and then the outside jobs we will do at a later date. They're not major jobs because the van's quite clean inside. Sorry, the van's quite clean outside because of the covers being on. What I am doing is I'm just going to check the motor mover and see if that works. So we'll go outside and we can have a look at that. So I'll just put the key in. I think the battery might be dead. Yeah, the battery's dead in the remote control, so I just need to change that. So mover update, I haven't got a spare battery for the remote, so we'll just carry on cleaning. We've had the water on for a bit, so I'm just going to draw some through and see if it's heating up. That's hot. It's only been on for about 15-20 minutes, and that's really hot, so that's working okay. Last year I had a problem with this. Let's have a look. Toilet was working, no problem. Right, let's crack on. It's getting nice and warm in here now. Woo, heating's on. While Angela's just cleaning the front of the van, I'll quickly show you. She'll hide behind the cushion because she don't want to be on camera, but she cleaned out front of the van and cushions. I don't remember, I had this kind of mirror, and I'm going to change the head over to one of the Grandera ones. Now, I've done a vlog on this, I'll put a link above, but I'll just get that changed over now. That's both heads done now, so I've got Grandera on both mirrors now, which should be so much better. Really pleased with those. Don't know how long it'll be before I can get them on, but never mind. So that's the van completely cleaned inside. We've anti-backed everything, every surface, all the cupboards, the floor, the fridge. We just like to go through it all to make sure it's all nice and clean. We've hoovered the floor, mopped the floor, cleaned all the toilet out. I've cleaned the windows, so it's all more or less ready now. That's our canopy, which we'll show you that one day. Don't think I've shown you that. All the roof lights have been cleaned, and all around the hay keys have been done. Everything's on the bed, so it's more or less ready for use in a few weeks' time. I think about 3 weeks' time. I better open the fridge actually. Just open the fridge. Just one more job to do outside, and then we'll call it a day. I've also put the solar panel back in. You can see that, that's there, and charging the battery up great. We've also decided to change the hitch cover, so that's all the job's done. Gonna go home now and have a nice warm brew. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.